YouTube, we back for another video today. Yo, BGPSRT. Today, give me a second, man. I ordered something and I just, bro. Hold on, I'm gonna show y'all real quick. All right, so I ordered this spoiler for the bag. I was supposed to get it by like the next 2 weeks, but ended up like that shit came early. So I'm gonna go put it on the back, like install it and everything. So this spoiler is kind of like, yo, it's cool, but shit. Damn. I think my car needs like a little like wash. Yeah, I think so. But it's clean though, but I like my shit clean. You feel me? So let's get it. Oof. Let's get it. Oh my god, I forgot. Hold on, y'all. All right, so right now, you see, got my steering wheel. The same one I was on my Scat, so I put it on the Jeep. So right now I'm about to go to somewhere to put the spoiler, I don't know how they call it though. I think that's the meat spoiler or something. Whatever, that's a spoiler at the end of the day for me. So I'm about to go there, but I think I'm gonna go wash the car first, and after I'm gonna go there. And yeah, we're gonna see how the spoiler is gonna look on the Scat. I said the Scat on the Jeep. So I'm gonna get back to y'all when I get there, gang. All right, gang. So it's time to put the spoiler on the back of the Jeep. Big Jeep SRT, gang. So I think it should be longer. So let's get it. Hold on. Let me check my key is up. Oh shit. I can't this way. Alright, this is the spoiler, gang. Whew. I'm excited to see. So I'm gonna unwrap it and I'll let you know what it look like. Alright, so we got a 3M tape inside. That's a spoiler. Hold on, I gotta unwrap it again. I can't see, I gotta unwrap it again, so be right back, gang. Yo, gang, that shit is crazy. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. It's crazy. Yo, I can't wait to see that. Hold on, gang. Hold on. We're gonna do some tests real quick. Go, bro, look at this shit. So if I don't mistaken, it's supposed to go. Oh, not this way. This way. Let's go this way. That way. Oh my god, y'all can see this shit? It's gonna be crazy. Oh god. Yo, that shit is gonna be crazy, bro. Yeah. Let me do it again. So I'm gonna get back to y'all when I get it done. So alright, y'all. So I put the spoiler on the car. I'm not gonna lie, it's crazy. Yo, it's crazy. Yo. Alright, let me show y'all. Let me show you real quick. And I had it first time. I put it, bro. I had this shit the first time, but like, hold on. Look at this shit. giving like kind of like a good look though. I ain't gonna lie. And I got that shit glossy like my hood, so I'm Gucci. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. Like, look at this shit. Look at this. It's so clean. It's just perfect, bro. It's just perfect. Hold on. Look. That shit is just perfect, bro. Perfecto. You know what I'm saying? Like, perfecto, man. Oh my god, I'm in love with this. Hold on. Yo, I'm in love with this. Alright, y'all. So, yeah. That's a new spoiler. So, like I said, with this build, I say I'm gonna just go like, you know, really light. Like, I'm taking my time. I'm not rushing nothing. You know, I'm taking my time to do my stuff on my car this time. So yeah, that's the spoiler for today. So if I go outside, it's not like dark. I'm gonna show y'all like a footage outside. But if I'm going outside, it's already dark. So it is what it is. But yeah, that's a new spoiler on the SRT Tough. Yeah. Yeah, guys, I'm outside, but it's already dark, so y'all really not gonna see a lot. But yeah, I said spoiler, but I'm gonna make sure like the next footage I'm just gonna show y'all like in the daytime how it look like, but I can really tell the glossy finish is good. So that's it for the video today. So I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one.